Hey! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME device. First of all, access Play Store, click on this search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can find out all about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!